everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. I'm shooting in a new way, my videos, and we'll see how we like this. We are going to work on a chicken breast. A turkey breast. I guess it's poultry. And we're going to start out with turkey breast. I just cut the package off. Here it is. And first of all, you have to take this, it's the gravy bag, out. And then I'm going to just take this over to the sink and spray it out for a minute, because I like to make sure it's good and clean. Nice warm water. I just like to spray it out the inside of it. And then I grab my Reynolds wrap bag, because I'm going to put this in a bag. This is going to go in the oven. It's going to go in the oven at 350 for 90 minutes, or until it's about 147 to 150 internal temperature, because I use a thermometer to check to make sure it's the right temperature. And then I'm going to just put this in the bag. I use these for turkeys too a lot. Then I'm going to leave that open, and I'm going to add okay, I didn't think it was working. I'm going to add a stick of butter, a half teaspoon of garlic salt to the butter, and a teaspoon of parsley, and a teaspoon of basil. And I'm going to throw this in the microwave, just enough to melt the butter. And I'll be right back. My little girl, she had to go outside, and little Dashhound had to go potty. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos, cooking and crafting. Let's see what this is. Okay, while we're doing this, you have to cut a slit in the bag. You have to cut a slit in the bag, which we can do while this is going, and we want to add some water. And we can preheat our oven to 350. Go back and preheat your oven. By that time, our butter's done. Woo, it's hot. And then Just open this up. And I pour this over the chicken breast. Just pour it down over the chicken breast. Like so. The butter and stuff will help make it moist. Then you grab your tie that goes with the bag and tie this up. And then I'll just add this to the oven. And it takes about 90 minutes or till the internal temperatures between 147 and 50. When I get this out of the oven, we have a slicer, and me and my husband will slice it and we'll package it into meals. And I'll show you on a later video on how we seal them into different packages and label them for meals at a later time. Thank you for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.